Right here behind me, there's a boat that has been set up for 15 years. It's gonna be my job to clear it out of here and get it running again. The owner said the reason he put it up is because the batteries were dead, and at the time he didn't have the money to replace them. And every summer he thinks about getting it out and fixing it, but never has the motivation to. So that's where I come in. I'm gonna clean it up, pull it out of the woods, hopefully be on the water by this fall. Don't know if it's gonna happen, but that's the goal. I checked the motor. Motor isn't locked up. Spark plugs look good. I gotta take them off the motor, but as of right now, I'm just worried about getting it out of the woods. I'll bring y'all through a little walkthrough. This motor is super clean, other than a little bit of dirt. One dirt dauber's nest right there, but the motor isn't locked up. I don't have a wrench to pull the spark plugs out, but from the outside they look gorgeous. So the motor I should be able to get the motor running. Live well has water in it, got clogged up. Fishing pole holders here, rod lockers on the side, fishing poles over here. That's another storage compartment. Trolling pole holders there. Courtesy lights. It's a really nice boat. Like I said, there's no soft spots on it. Should be able to get it going. Now, time to just get it out of this jungle. I think it's just about to the point where I can pull it out without hurting the boat too bad. Probably just move all these limbs. I got up on the front of the boat and cut some limbs, and it's not soft up there. So that's what I was actually thinking about, trying to get the boat out. There's a master lock on it. So I don't think I can pull it out. Might be able to break that lock off, but I don't know. I'm gonna try to break that lock off. I'm gonna go grab a hammer. I'm gonna try to break that lock off. Alright, went out the truck, got some mauls, try to get this lock off. I think I got it off. So I got the lock off of it. Now, hook it up to the truck and see if we can pull it out. Whoa, baby, yeah. Oh, baby. So I'm going back to work on the boat today. It's July 5th. And yeah, so we're gonna just got done raining, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to get it out. But I am in a truck that's four-wheel drive now. I was using my grandpa's truck before. Now I'm using my dad's. It's got four-wheel drive and has all terrains on it, so try to get it out. And if I can, just park it there. It's 6:32, so we're gonna figure it out. But I got a chainsaw this time rather than limb loppers. Wasn't too prepared last time, but I didn't think the trees were as thick as they were when I started last time. Where now I know, they're good sized trees. So this should be a lot faster. Should be able to get it done. I got an hour to work. So once I get it out the woods, then I'll probably start cleaning the boat. Just actually, cleaning, not working on anything. And then I'm gonna start on the motor, make sure it runs and all. I'm gonna get a new battery for it, or see if he'll get a new battery, because I'm broke and I ain't trying to spend a bunch of money on this boat. So see if he'll go buy a new battery for it, and see if it cranks. So I gotta figure out how many batteries it holds. And it is starting to rain again. Lovely. Fixing to get wet is what we're finna do. Let's see if that storm right there. Any chance? Daggone 4-way would work. Oh, it might. Oh, let's go. I never would have thought that would work. All right, I got the whole boat cut out. Okay, so we just got the boat pulled out of the woods. It was an act of Congress to do it, but we got it. Tires are off the rims. That one's flat, as flat gets. But we can actually get a full look at the boat now. I found out it's a 21 foot, not a 22 foot. So that's that. I can work on the engine now though, so that's good. This boat project can actually somewhat start now. I gotta figure out whether or not he wants me to leave it here, bring it to my grandpa's, or possibly bring it to my house. But I'll figure it out here in a minute and I'll get back with y'all. She's out of the woods and on the road. Had to put 4 tires on it. One of the ones we put on it's bad, but so we got 3 tires on it. We're just gonna limp her back home. There's a gearbox. 15 miles an hour the whole way home. So, but she's finally out the woods, and good thing about a drop top, it's great for videoing. Day 4 or 5, whatever day it is, of the boat. Snapper fish off of this for sure. With the deep V, I think it's gonna be a good offshore boat. This seat cleaned up pretty good. You just open these, let them air out a little bit, open the cabin. Windows were open, I opened up the sun hatch. They found the keys.
I'll start back working on the boat. Thinking we'll be. Then we'll take these seats off. I'm not sure. Oh, so you take them seats off. Okay, that works. Simple enough. Yeah, if I take these seats off, I can move around a little bit easier. Clean them under them better. Yeah, there we go. I'd like to see what's up with these speakers. If I can get these going again, that would be nice. Just use some bleach spray on them and see if that works. Alright, so I went and got a pump sprayer, some bleach. I'm doing a 1-to-1 ratio with the bleach and water. So the boat's about as clean as it's gonna get. Looks pretty stinking good if you ask me. Brought the keys for it. He also brought a gas tank that he had right here. I gotta do a little bit to it to get it where I can put it on this boat, but I'm just gonna use that as a gas tank to crank the thing. The primer ball has a piece of hose connected to it. Should just be able to take this off. I've got fuel from in my boat that I'm going to put in this. It needs to be ran. So I gotta get the water hose back on the engine. I gotta put the fuel filter back on. But all of that will be in the next video. I'm gonna break this up into two parts. Part one is just gonna be the cleaning. Part 2 will be the engine work, which I'm not doing too much with the engine, just because I'm no mechanic by any means. And I think me and him both agree it'd be better to have an actual mechanic work on it rather than me. That's gonna be the end of this first video, and the next video will be the boat, the little bit of work I'm gonna do on the boat engine and us on the water with it. So that video should be out within a month or so. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the water.